There's this thing called love, and it's everywhere. She told me it can break your heart, and leave you in misery. Since I met this little woman, I feel it's happened to me, and I'm telling you, it's too late to turn back now. I believe I'm falling in love. Oh, it's too late to turn back now. I believe I'm falling in love. And myself wanting her at least 10 times a day. You know, it's so unusual for me to carry on this way. I tell you, I can't sleep at night. Wanting the whole time. I've tried so hard to convince myself that this feeling just can't be right. And I'm telling you, it's too late to turn back now. I believe I'm falling in love. It's too late to turn back now. I believe I'm falling in love. It's too late to turn back now. Ooh, baby. I believe I'm falling in love. It's too late to turn back now. I believe I'm falling in love. And I wouldn't mind it if I knew she really loved me too. But I hate to think that I'm in love alone, and there's nothing that I can do. Whoa.